final straw on fire. Harry suffers worst nightmare after Home Office gave fatal move on legal battle. The Home Office will not back down in the legal battle with Prince Harry over police protection, it has been claimed. The Duke of Sussex has said he is unable to bring Meghan Markle, Archie and Lilibet back to the UK because it is too dangerous without police protection. Harry has filed a claim for a judicial review against the Home Office decision not to allow him to personally pay for the security for his family while in Britain. But the reports that the Home Office is refusing to back down in the legal battle with the Duke, who is living in California after quitting royal duties. A security source told the newspaper, when Harry left the firm the terms of his divorce were clear. Like other members of the public, he and his wife are not able to hire armed cops at will, no matter how much they offer to pay. The source added that police protection was based on role and risk. They said the private security the Sussexes personally have in the US could not be replicated in the UK because we don't allow people to wander the street with guns here. The source added that other minor royals manage to function in normal life without armed guards. They said, the Home Office is refusing to blink. Harry and Meghan lost their taxpayer-funded police protection in the UK after Megxit. They personally fund a private protection team across the pond for their family. But Harry's argument is that the US team does not have adequate jurisdiction abroad or access to UK intelligence information which is needed to keep them safe. It emerged last weekend that Harry filed a claim in September 2021 for a judicial review against the Home Office decision not to allow him to personally pay for police protection for himself and his family while in Britain. A legal representative for the Duke said, Prince Harry inherited a security risk at birth, for life. He remains sixth in line to the throne, served 2 tours of combat duty in Afghanistan, and in recent years his family has been subjected to well-documented neo-Nazi and extremist threats. A security expert has said Prince Harry should be allowed to keep his UK police protection as he is a target for terrorists. The Duke of Sussex, 37, was stripped of his taxpayer-funded security after stepping down as a full-time working royal in 2020. He employs a privately funded bodyguard team in the US, but he claims they do not have adequate jurisdiction abroad. This week, the prince has applied for a judicial review of a Home Office decision not to allow him to personally pay for police protection for himself and his family when they are in the UK. Now Graham Ewell, an SAS-trained ex-soldier, has argued private security cannot adequately protect the Duke of Sussex as they are not allowed to carry guns. Prince Harry has filed a claim for a judicial review against the British government's decision not to let him personally pay for police protection while in the UK. The Duke of Sussex's legal representative said Saturday that Harry wants to bring his children Archie and Lilibet to visit his home country from the US, but that is too risky without police protection. Prince Harry has filed a claim for a judicial review against the British government's decision not to let him personally pay for police protection while in the UK. The Duke of Sussex's legal representative said Saturday that Harry wants to bring his children Archie and Lilibet to visit his home country from the US, but that is too risky without police protection. The representative said Harry wanted to fund the police protection himself. His private security team in the US doesn't have adequate jurisdiction abroad or access to UK intelligence information, they said. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex personally fund a private security team for their family, yet that security cannot replicate the necessary police protection needed whilst in the UK, a statement said. The claim to a judicial review was filed in September to challenge the British government's decision-making behind the security procedures.